Hello, here's another air conditioner video for you. This is my grandparents' very old day and night central AC. And day and night. Then there's the fan blades in here, and what's unusual is that the motor is down in there instead of attached to this. In there, the motor's down in there, right there, instead of attached to where this is. I guess that's just how they did it on very old AC. But here it is. Then here's the disconnect control box thing. And there's where the cold air comes in, where the compressor and stuff. And here's the model number. Okay. It won't focus. There. Day and Night Company. And yeah. There's that. And if you look down in here, there's the compressor. And this is winter time, so it won't be coming on. But I just like to take air conditioner videos all year round. And yeah, in the summer I will take a startup shutdown video of this. So the disconnect box. There's the disconnect box right there, and the fan blades, and I don't know what brand the compressor is. It's very old. I would say this is probably at least 50 years old, if they even had central air conditioner back then. But right here, what's weird is that it doesn't have that little cover that you take off. Instead, you take off this whole panel. And this is made out of plastic instead of metal, this grill right here. And yeah, there's the fan blades in there. And in the winter time, I took this off, but they put this cover on there to protect it in the winter time when it snows and stuff. But we stick this in here and spin the fan. This is very bendy. Let me find a stick that I can use. I can use this. So yeah, there's the fan blades spinning. I'm not going to take too much time on spinning the fan blades. But yeah, day and night. You can see down there, this is not a heat pump. This is just normal air conditioner. There's the compressor, and then there's those suction lines or whatever they're called. Then there's ice. There's ice on that. Here's the coils. They are dirty, but it still works good. And you go around it. Well, yeah, hope you enjoyed this. This was my grandparents' old day and night air conditioner unit. And I will take a startup shutdown video of it when it's the summertime. Have a nice day.